a good continuation of your journey. Thank you and goodbye. Dames en heren, welkom terug op Schiphol. Welkom in Nederland. Namens Heerlijk Welkom van KLM heeft gekozen en ook voor u. Ik hoop dat deze vertraging tot niet te veel ongemak heeft geleid. En er is u wel thuis toe te wensen. Bedankt en tot ziens. Back into the overhead compartments or under the seat in front of you. Fasten your seatbelt, adjust the back of your seat to the upright position, disconnect your electronic device from any power supply and stow your tray tables. We will arrive at gate Charlie 13, Charlie 13 is our gate. As promised, if I got some arrival information I would pass it on to you. It's not going to be good news for everybody. I'm going to point out
welcome on board for the next flight.